Dream is not what you see in sleep. It is the thing that doesn't let you sleep. Jai Hind everyone. We are the cadets of UCSS School Champawat. I am cadet Shivani Kharkwal with
Thanks Corporal Chitranshi Mehta.
Today we are here for presenting our views on the topic tourism and sustainability, and I'll present my views on sustainability.
And I am presenting my views on tourism. Start. Tourism is one of economic sector in India that has potential to differentiate between the insurance infrastructure and establish it into the infrastructure of destination. In India, tourism and travel sector is essential to create 78 per million jobs rupees of investment.
Sustainability in the term of tourism means that tourism should take place while assuring the need of visitors, community, and the government. It includes to enhance the benefit of tourism while reducing the ill effects of tourism.
And it also provides 6 to 7% jobs to workers and 5% contribute to the world's GDP.
Though it provides job to large number of people, but because of the tourist negligence for the environment, the local people, the community and the government has to face lots and lot of loss.
In 150 countries, tourist is one of top 5 export earner. Tourism in India will provide 40 million jobs.
Though it provides large number of jobs, but still a lot of resources are wasted. And it is said by Gandhi ji that the resource which you are overusing today is not what you had got from your parents. It is what you are borrowing from your future generation.
Tourism can also boot an investment that has many positive social effects.
Because of the tourism, the people are neglecting their own culture. They say that the culture of the tourism, the culture of foreigners is very nice and we're gonna adopt it. Because of this, the local economy is neglected and people try to move towards foreign culture, as we are seeing what is happening in the present. So the conclusion of the debate is, though tourism play a major role in the country's development, but if it will not be sustainable, then country's development won't be a development, because the development which doesn't go with sustainability can't be called development. And the resources should be used wisely, because nature has provided enough for everyone's need but not for everyone's need. Thank you and
Thank you.